I am going to show you how to archive a Google Classroom that you don't want to show up on your dashboard. Now this is some of the classrooms that I have on my dashboard, and if you don't want them to show up, you can archive them. When you archive a class, it means that you still have access to all of the files in your Google Drive, but it just means that your classroom card isn't going to show up. Also, when you archive a class, it's possible to unarchive it so that you can see it again. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to archive this class right here. I'm going to go to the More button, and here I'm going to go down to Archive. And it asks me if I want to archive the class. And I'm going to click Archive again. And now it shouldn't show up. There it was removed. So that is how you archive a class. Now if I want to add one back again, if I want to add it back, I go back to the main menu, and I'm going to scroll down where it says Archived Classes, and I'm going to go here to the class that was archived, and I'm going to click the More, and I'm going to click Restore. And click Restore again to confirm. And when I go back to the main menu and to my classes dashboard, there you can see that archived class has been unarchived because it's showing up on my dashboard again.